Now here's the instructions for the proportional sides investigation. And the first thing you're going to do is go to the Edit menu, and under Preferences, you're going to select here for all new points under Text, and it's automatically going to label all new points once you draw them. So you want to select Text and for all new points, so it'll automatically label them. Then click OK. Now what we're going to do is construct a small triangle, and it'll be A, B, C. So you're going to then construct your triangle, and what you can do is now click on point A, and under Transform, you're going to click on Mark Center. Now you're going to select everything in triangle ABC and go to the Transform menu, and you're going to select Dilate. And for Dilate, you're going to enter 3 as the top part of the fraction and 1 as the bottom part of the fraction. So you're going to change this to 3 over 1. And what this is going to do is it's going to draw a triangle that's going to be 3 times greater for each side measure than our original triangle. And we click on Dilate, and it automatically labels B, our new point B, as B prime, and C prime, and point A is common, and A prime is common to both. So now we have a larger triangle here that is 3 times greater than the original triangle. Okay, so what we're going to do first off is change these points, the labels, so double click on the labels, and we're going to call the first point B prime. We're going to switch that to D, and we're going to change C prime to E, just so it's a little less confusing. And so the first thing you got to do is you're going to click on points A and B, and from the measure menu, you're going to click on distance, and that'll give you the distance value, the distance between the 2 points. So it's 4.05 centimeters. You're going to repeat this for all the sides in the small triangle. So now we're going to measure the distance between points A and C, and also between points B and C. Now you're going to measure the distance between the vertices in the larger triangle. And so now what we're going to do is compare the corresponding side lengths of these two triangles. And remember that triangle ABC was 3 times smaller than triangle ADE. And if we click on Measure and Calculate, what we're going to do is click on AD and divide that by AB and click OK. And as we expect, AD divided by AB is 3, because remember we dilated this smaller triangle 3 times to make the larger one. So that means that the sides are going to be 3 times as long as well. So when we take a look at next one is going to be AC. So we're going to go Measure, Calculate, and we're going to take the AE divided by its corresponding side, which is AC, and click OK. And AE divided by AC is 3.00, which means that AE is 3 times longer than side AC. And the last thing we're going to do is click on DE and divide it by its corresponding side in the smaller triangle, which is CB or BC. And again, you'll note that the ratio of the corresponding sides in every case is equal to 3. Okay, so now what we're going to do is measure all the angles. And if we measure angle BAC, we get that it's 42.20 degrees. And we're going to measure then angle DAE. So make sure you just click on the 3 points in order. And you'll notice that the corresponding angles here are equal. The next pair of corresponding angles, we're going to click on A, then B, then C. And those two corresponding angles are equal. And ADE is the corresponding angle. So we expect these two to be equal. And the last set of corresponding angles are A, C, and B. And A, E, and D. So now you'll notice that the corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. And if we move the vertices around, you can make some observations.